Doom, doom, doom.
I'm resetting it so we can check out East Fork Lake right here. Flowers are pretty, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever kind of little, whatever that is called, ground cover of some sort. Okay, you know what? I want to change my other floorboard thing too a little bit. There we go. That's what we should be out there fishing. Catch a big one. Like reel it in. Wee. Road closed? Not yet. Just don't close it when we get here. I always thought this was so beautiful. Doesn't it? It feels like being somewhere in the mountains, you know,
Mm-hmm.
like the pine looking trees and whatever. So beautiful. Of course. Huh. I don't know if they cut all this or it just naturally dies off every year. Ooh, a little bit of wind down in here. A little bit chillies. There we go. Eyes are closed now. That's my 4x4U. Whatever that song was. Oh, my belly. Oh, wow. You'll be able to see how high the lake was by the mud in the trees.
Mm-hmm.
And down here, probably, look how high it was.
Mm-hmm.
Look, there's people fishing. I mean, they got the boat ramp open back up. Wow. You can kind of see down in there, see the mud in the trees.
Yeah.
I mean, actually, it was higher than that mud line, I would guess. Still releasing a lot of tailwater. These people down there fishing. It's our beautiful local wonder. See what the rest of the lake looks like. I was going to say there's bathrooms here, but I don't know if they're open. The welcome center there, I'm not real sure. Maybe. What was that guy just throwing out?
Mm-hmm.
Probably throwing his garbage out right here. Probably. See how he took off pretty healthy. Piece of junk. Wow. I don't remember this being all arranged like that. Maybe. That's where we put in over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't look like that. I don't believe. It was like a big rock wall down. That wasn't like that. I'm pretty sure that wasn't like that. The whole It was kind of like sloped all the way down or something. Unless, yeah, there's no way that they just changed all that. Huh. Don't know, baby, I don't know. Pretty interesting. Yeah, it looked like this.
Hmm.
Wow. I wonder, did the water, did it cause all that?
Yeah, weird.
It is very weird. Very, very much, very much. Not that they don't look a bit suspicious. Okay, looks like my boat.
Mhm.
That's amazing that it changed this so much.
Yeah.
I mean, those hills were not there. I don't know how it even did that. I mean, that is amazing. I mean, it was just sloped like that. It was never like this.
Hmm. Weird.
Yeah. I guess floods and floodwaters can change a lot of things. So there's restrooms all throughout if you need to.
Oh, I'm good.
Good. All right, I'm good too. Oh, I didn't know you could do picnics here like that. They got grills. We could come up here with some hot dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Bring us a little pack of sticks. Yummy.
Hmm.
Not really. I mean, it sounds alright. Stay there, little squirrels. You bad little boy. Isn't that pretty down there?
Very pretty.
It's amazing. That's what lets all the water out. But you know what? It doesn't look like they're letting it out crazy fast. Normally, it would look like whitewater rapids coming out if they were letting it out super fast. It's interesting. There's a jet ski out there. I mean, it's 59 degrees. I guess people would say that about us on a motorcycle.
Right.
Well, I guess, you know. Okay. Where do you want to go? Oh, look how beautiful. So pretty. I'm testing my back brake, sorry. I'm just trying to rely on new parts, you know. Even though they're new, like to rely on them. Got a little road cut out right there. Still a lot of water running off. saturated in the ground, probably from the rains last night, I would guess. If we were to go somewhere tomorrow, where would you want to go?
I don't know.
Like, I mean, can't really go. I mean, we can go out to Amish country, but we can't go to the Amish Sunday.
Yeah.
I mean, we could ride out to like a Chillicothe hot dog place, or
Yeah.
if that don't sound good, we could. I don't know. We could ride somewhere. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.